Good morning, beta. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैम
Good morning, beta.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने जो हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेजे
Speak in
लाइव
English, beta. Tirtha, please speak in English.
ओके मैम
Yeah.
मैम यू
I
हैव
have sent
सेंड
you
द
question answer of.
of chapter 1 so ma'am in that we have to write answer in detail also
Yes.
in
I have
notebook
sent you
ma'am
all the
because
question answer. Listen. What happened?
previous year we don't have to write that.
No, but this year you have to write. See, I have sent you two Word file or PDF file. Okay. So
Yes.
in first PDF file you will find out question answer of section A. In second PDF file you will find question answer of B, C, D and also E. So you have to write the detailed answer also. Okay.
Okay.
Earlier you were in class 6, sorry, class 7. Now you are in 8th class. So you should know how to write long detailed answer. Okay. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Why you, yes. Actually, I wanted to ask you everyone, why you haven't joined in Facebook assembly? I have been searching your names there.
Ma'am, we do not.
Here I am typing the Facebook ID where you have to join at 7:45. Okay, morning 7:45. You have to join the assembly. Okay, you search the name Hardik Patel. Okay, here Hardik sir photo is there in that Facebook link. Ma'am, what do you want to ask me? Ma'am, you are not allowed to use Facebook. I don't use Facebook, that's why. Beta, Onik and Jenny, you don't need to use Facebook. Your parents are using Facebook, na? I think your parents have Facebook ID. Your father has Facebook ID. Your mother has Facebook ID. You join there with that link only. No need to open yours. Right?
Ma'am, my parents are not here.
Your parents are not here?
My parents are Africa.
Okay, they are in Africa. Okay. And you are in Morbi. Onik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your father and mother don't have. So
Ma'am,
when you
this
sleep
is the.
yes,
Ma'am?
Agastya.
That in assembly we have to join means it would be live tomorrow.
Yes, of course. Today was the one of the best program you missed in assembly. That's why I'm asking. One girl from 10th C, she has represented a short motivational story in assembly. Okay, the way she presented, you really learned from her. Okay, she has just she did tell the story. She also given the example with her gesture. Now just mute yourself, beta. If I have that link or I have recorded that one, then I will share with you in our assembly group. Okay, fine. So that's why I'm asking you all to at least attend the assembly. You can, huh?
Can we?
Augusta, please turn off the mic.
Which is fact?
Yes, we can do everything in assembly, beta. We'll discuss in our group, then we'll start. Okay, today in this class, all of you take your book, page number 14. Ashita Maurya, that answer I don't have because in FCC, okay, in free conference call, we cannot stream with Facebook. Okay, so we have to stream in Facebook so that all the students of NEGS can see the assembly or participate in the assembly lively. Okay, but if you ask everybody to join in STC, it is not possible for you all schools to join in one STC link. Okay, so better you just check in Facebook ID that I have already told you. If you search Hardik Patel, you will check there so many live videos are there. So you learn from there because your turn will come in next. Okay, and the way they are presenting, at least you should learn and do better than them. Okay, let's. I'll take your attendance later on. Okay, now moving to next. I'm just sharing with you the screen in front of. Wait 1 minute.
Ma'am.
Yes, Jenny.
Ma'am, Ashwin sir has sent that words in group that we have to write or only learn.
What did Ashwin sir say? He said you to write down in notebook?
No, only one photo is coming in group. No, nothing.
Yes, I saw that photo. Do one thing before writing or doing anything. You just ask to Ashwin sir. What is his reply? According to that, you do. Fine? Yes. So today we are going to start chapter.
Ma'am, can I read?
Beta, I am going to take your reading test. I'll giving you mark. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So, yes, beta.
Ma'am, in group that message came for the musical instrument.
Okay. That we'll discuss after reading test. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. So now, first chance I'm going to give Dharmi Mirza. Dharmi, open page number 14. Okay? But all of you, let me read for paragraph 1, 2. Okay? After that you will read. Because in reading what I will test, your intonation, your sound, your voice modulation, okay, and the way you are presenting yourself, pronunciation, all that. I will count. So this 5 for 5 marks. Okay, this would be a 5 marks reading test, and out of 5 marks, how much you are getting, that I'll tell you now only. So here the first paragraph that I'm going to read for you. Chapter 2, after 20 years. The policeman on the beat twirled his club as he walked along the street with stalwart form and slight swagger. He often stopped to check if the doors were properly locked as he kept a watchful eye on the peaceful road. There were few people on the road, though it was barely 10 o'clock at night. The area was one that kept early hours, though now and then you might see the lights of a store. Most of the doors were closed. Midway off a block, the policeman suddenly slowed down. He saw a man leaning against the doorway of a darkened hardware store. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke quickly. "It's all right, officers," he said. "I'm just waiting for a friend. It's an appointment made 20 years ago. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I will explain if you'd like me to. 20 years ago, They are used to be a restaurant where this store stands now. Big Joe Brady's restaurant. So I have read for you paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Now here Dharmi Mirza will read from beginning. Dharmi, are you
Ma'am,
there?
can I?
I'll give you chance one by one, but I am taking record of this. Okay. If Dharmi is not ready, then Mayan, quickly. If you don't reply me, I will give chance to other.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayan
ready
Patel.
करूँ?
Mayan Patel, start reading. No, it is turn of Mayan, beta.
Read.
Okay. Himanshi Khurana,
Ma'am, should I speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
beta, you read.
Okay, ma'am. It was turned down 5 years ago, said the policeman.
Himanshi, turn on video.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second.
Yeah, no problem.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, should I read?
Ma'am, can you see my video?
she is going to read. Beta, wait.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, Himanshi, read.
It was turned down 5 years ago, said the policeman. The man shifted and a dim light from a neighboring store showed a pale, square-jawed face with a keen eyes and a little white scare near his right eyebrow. His scarf pin was an oddly set large diamond. 20 years ago, tonight, said the man. I dined here at Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy's Will, my best friend and the finest cat in the world. He and I were raised here.
That is
in New
finest
York.
chap. Himanshi, CHAP chap. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. He and I were raised here in New York just like two brothers. I was 18 and Jimmy was 20. The next morning I was going off to the west to make my fortune. You could not have dragged Jimmy out of New York. He thought it was the only place on earth. Well, we agreed that night that we would meet here exactly 20 years from the date and time. No matter what our conditions might be or from what distance we might have to come, we thought that in 20 years each of us would have our lives worked out and fortunes made, whatever they were going to be. It sounds
Okay, very nice.
interesting.
Himanshi Khurana. Himanshi, that's enough,
Yes,
beta. Okay,
ma'am.
fine. You scored 4.5 out of 5. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are welcome, beta. Now moving to next, Shlok Upadhyaya. Shlok. Shlok Upadhyaya. If you don't read, I'll ask next student. Okay. Okay. Tirthak Ughareja.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you read page number 16.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn on your camera.
Can I start?
Yes, where is your camera, beta?
Ma'am, I want, but it's not enabled.
Okay, no problem then.
It sounds pretty interesting, said the policeman. Rather a long time between which, though, it seems to me. Haven't you heard from your friend since you left? Well, we did write to each other for a time, said the other. But after a year or two, we lost track of each other. You see, it isn't easy trying to make a life in the West, and I got rather busy. But I know Jimmy will meet me here if he's alive, for he was always the truest, staunchest old chap in the world. He will never forget. I came 1,000 miles to stand at this door tonight, and it's worth it if my old friend turns up. The waiting man pulled out a handsome watch, the lids of which were set with small diamonds. 3 minutes to 10, he announced. It was exactly 10 o'clock when we parted at the restaurant door. Did pretty well in the West, didn't you? Asked the policeman. You
Okay,
bet.
very nice, Sid. I'm giving you 4 marks for it. Okay, you're reading. You read so well, really so well. I'm really happy for your presentation. Now moving to next student. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me
I
where
can see
we
Tutu
are?
Agastya Agara. Who is that?
Ma'am, may I read karo?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Wait.
Ma'am, can you tell me
I'm
where
giving you
we are
chance. Wait.
because I left the meeting?
Ma'am, I am here,
Yes.
Agastya.
We are in page number 6. Agastya. Okay. Agastya. Fine. Agastya. Turn your camera and read page number 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Chip number paragraph. You bet. You bet I hope, Jimmy. That line. Got it?
Go to
Dija, Bhavat, please mute yourself. Dija. 1 minute, let me mute Dija Bhavat. Okay, she has muted. That's great. Yeah. Start reading, Agastya.
You bet. I hope Jimmy here has done half as well. He was a kind of a plodder, though good fellow as he was. I have had to compete with some of the sharpest minds to be successful. A man gets improved in the New York. It takes the sharp. The policeman tweed का मतलब
Which one?
tweed.
Twirl mean turn.
Okay. He scrubbed and took a step or two. I will be on my way. Hope your friend comes around soon. How long will you wait? I will give him half an hour at least. If Jimmy is alive, he will be here by that time. So long, officer. Good night, sir, said the policeman. Once more on his
Which
way,
line you read? You read
checking those as he went. Bet, from bet. You bet.
Which
That
one
was
are you
now
reading?
fine.
Agastya, which page are you reading?
I am reading in 16 page number and I am
Okay,
near
got
the
it.
end
Got it.
ended question.
Yeah, got it, got it.
Okay. There was now a fine cold drizzle falling, and a steady wind was blowing. The few people on the road hurried silently with their hands in the pockets and coat collars down high.
and in the door of the hardware store. The man who had come 1,000 miles to meet the friend of his youth waited patiently. About 20 minutes waited, and then a tall man in a long overcoat, with the collar turned up to his ears, hurried across the opposite side of the street. He went directly to the waiting man.
Very nice, beta. You scored 4.5, Agastya. Agastya, you scored 4.5, okay?
Okay.
Out of 5. Yeah.
Thank you,
Now
ma'am.
next, moving. Okay, welcome, beta.
Ma'am,
Next,
please,
moving to
ma'am.
Lux.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Laksha Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Laksha Patel,
Should
read
I
page
read,
number
ma'am?
17, first paragraph. Yes.
Is that you, Bob? He asked doubtfully. It is that you, Jimmy Wells, cried the man at the doorway. Bless my heart, explained the new arrival, grasping the other hands with his own. I was certain I'd find you here. If you were still alive, well. 20 years is a long time. The old restaurant gone. Bob, I wish it had lasted, so we could have had another dinner there. How has the West treated you, old man? It has given me everything I asked it for. You have changed a lot, Jimmy. I never thought you were so tall by 2 or 3 inches. Oh, I grew a bit after I was 20. Doing well in New York, Jimmy? Moderately. I have a position in the city department. Come on, Bob. Well, go around to a place I know of and have a good long talk about old times. The two men started walking arm in arm, the man from the west basking in his glory of his success, was beginning to outline the history of his career. The other listened with interest. At the corner stood a brightly lit medicine store. When they came into its glare, the friends turned to look at each other. The man from the west stopped suddenly and freed his arms.
Okay, that's great. Very good, Laksha. I'm giving you 4 marks, okay? Out of 5. Now moving to next student, okay? Here, Milan Sinojia.
Yes,
Milan
ma'am.
Sinojia. Start reading page number 18.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
18.
Yeah, beta, tell me what's your doubt?
Ma'am,
That in your
page
grammar,
number
ma'am.
18.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in grammar I have
read
doubt.
page number.
In grammar you have doubt?
Yes,
What are you
ma'am.
saying, beta? Which topic?
That in this topic only, when I am reading any books, author's book, then there are two types of sentence, means head. 2 times head is coming. Why, ma'am? Is it right way to
Okay.
write, or it is a
Understood your problem. May I clear you now? Okay. Why it has written had? Okay. Will you tell me which line you found?
Okay, ma'am. He has done everything as the Bobby, but head
me the line
he is
number.
not alive.
Tell me the line number.
No, ma'am. It is not in this one book. I am reading
Okay.
a said book that in that one.
Okay. That I'm going to clear your doubt. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Here
read
I'm going to.
Okay, ma'am.
Milan, wait 1 minute. Maybe it is for you also. Okay. Fine. So, why we use had in sequence? I'm telling you now. As you know, had is the helping verb of past tense. Okay. In present tense, we use had and have.
Yes.
Understood? In past tense, we use had.
Yes.
Got it, all of you? Now, I'm giving you another twist of this helping verb. Okay? The helping verb also used as main verb. Okay? For example, is, am, are, were, was, has, have. These all are helping verbs. And also this helping verb used as main verb. What is the meaning of the sentence? I have 2 pens.
Means
Tell me the meaning.
मेरे पास दो
I have 2 pens means मेरे पास 2 पेन है. Okay. I had 2 pens means
मेरे पास 2 पेन थी.
okay. Fine. So here have and had used as main verb. Okay. यहाँ पे had और have as a main verb use हुआ है. Here it is has and have. Helping verb नहीं है. It is main verb. Okay. Now coming to your topic, you said that had and had. Here the first had is your helping verb. Okay. And second had is your main verb. That means having something. Got it? First had in your sentence, in that book, that is helping verb. Second had is main verb, that means having something with you. For example, I had pen. Okay, I have pen. Have means having something. Had means something had with me. Okay, so it is helping verb and main verb. Both are there together. That's why had and had. If you found find so many sentences like that, you will get 3 had. Okay. Now Milan, start reading.
मैम मैं पेज नंबर 18 read करूँ ना?
Yes.
You are not Jimmy Walsh. He snapped. 20 years is long time, but not long enough to change a man not from Roman to the pub. It sometimes changes a good man into bad one, said the tall man. You are being under arrest for 10 minutes, silked Bob. The Chicago police, thinking you may have come this way, wired us that you are wanted. Going quietly, are you that? मैम आगे क्या लिखा है वो वर्ड?
Which one?
मैम that के बाद थर्ड लाइन में, फोर्थ लाइन में.
Fourth line. I'm not
Last line
that.
के ऊपर one.
Sensible. That's sensible.
That's sensible. Now before we go to the station, here a note I was asked to give you. You may read it here at the window. It from Patrolman Wells. The man from the west unfolded the little piece of paper. His hand was steady when he began to read, but it trembled. It trembled. A little by the time he finished, the note was gathered short. मैम note read करनी है?
Yes.
Bob, I was at a pointed place on time where you shifted and the dim light falls on you. I saw it was pairs of men wanted in Chicago. Somehow I couldn't do it myself, so I went around and bought a plain clothes man to do the job.
Okay, very nice. Milan, I have given you here 4 marks, okay, out of 5. Fine. Now, moving to next student, Jenny Bharonia, Jenil Bharonia.
Ma'am, can I? Monil.
Are you Jenil, beta? I said to
Yes,
Jenil.
ma'am.
Yeah, Bharonia, beta read. Page number
Ma'am. Shuru karu, ma'am.
15. Sorry, 14. Page number 14.
Okay, ma'am. First say.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The policeman on the beat twirled his club as he walked along the street. With his stalwart form and slight swagger, he often stopped to check if the doors were properly locked as he kept a watchful eye on the peaceful road. There were few people on the road, though it was barely 10 o'clock at night. The area was one that kept early hours to now and then you might see the lights of a store. Must keep the doors closed. Midway of a block, the policeman suddenly slowed down. He saw a man leaning against the doorway of a darkened hardware store. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quite quickly. "It is all right, officer," he said. "I am just waiting for a friend. It is an appointment made 20 years ago. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I will explain if you did like me too. 20 years ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands now. Big Joy, Brady's restaurant. It is torn
Okay,
down
very
5
good,
years.
Jenil. Very good, Jenil.
Okay, ma'am.
You score 4.25. Okay. Why I have given
Okay.
4.25? 0.75 mark I have cut because of a little bit Gujarati tone. You are reading the English very well, but the tone of Gujarati is come when you are reading. Okay, that you have to remove by listening more in English. You listen British English through YouTube channels or through your listening tests. Okay, so that you can improve that part. Otherwise, you read so well.
Ma'am,
Now moving to next. Yeah,
ma'am,
Janil.
that app was not in my mobile. It was not coming. Oriental Black Swan.
Oriental Black Swan. Okay, then I will be sending you the link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. License
in
key is
WhatsApp.
wrong. That was telling.
Yeah. Got it. License wala okay, it is wrong. Fine. Now moving to next student. Who was saying ma'am?
Ma'am, me, Himanshi.
Me. Okay, tell me beta.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in grammar.
You have also doubt in grammar. Himanshi, tell me what is your doubt?
On page number 10, there is a question. Listen to this conversation between Mrs. Sen and her students. After you listen, complete these sentences. From
This is
where
a
we have
listening
to
test.
listen this conversation?
Beta, see. Okay, this is your listening test. Okay, teacher will read for you. Okay, after listening from teachers, then you will fill in the blanks. So I think this is a part of Ashwin sir. If he is not doing, then I will do for you, no problem. Okay, it will take 5-minute time. Is it okay? You asked to sir, Ashwin sir, if he is not doing, then tomorrow I will take 5-minute test of it, or I will send you the audio of it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. It is not of grammar. It is of listening. Fine. Now moving to next students. Yeah. Kevin Korat. Kevin Korat. Okay, not there. Moving to Dveja Bhatt.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for reading test, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Page number 15, second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. It was a torn down 5 years ago, said the policeman. The man shifted and a dim light from a neighboring store showed up there. Square Joe face with keen eyes and a little white scratch near his right eyebrow. His scarf saying was an oddly shaped large diamond. 20 years ago tonight, said the man
Vijay, your voice is not clear, beta. If you are holding mic, please put it little far from you, okay? We are getting the echo sound from you. Wait. Okay, now you read?
Yes.
Okay.
20 years ago tonight, said the man, I dared her at big job ready white Jimmy Weld, my best friend and the finest chap in the world. He and I raised her in New York just like a two brothers. I was 18 and Jimmy was 20. The next morning I was going off to the west to make my fortune. You could not have dragged Jimmy out of New York. He thought it was the only place on earth where we exit at night that we would meet here every day. 20 years from the date and time, no matter what your conditions might be or from what we to come, we in 20 years each of our lives worked out of our parents made whatever they were going through. It sounds interesting and writer a long time people lived through it. Haven't you from your friends no less? We drive to each other for a time, said the other, but we lost each other trying to make a life in the best.
Okay.
I got to
Deja what? Deja beta. I think you are reading so well. Okay. But little bit I'm doubtful because your voice is not clear at all. Okay. But I'm finding you are reading well. Okay. Do one thing. As today's homework is you have to read chapter from page number 14 to 18. You have to record that video or audio, and by 7 p.m. today evening you have to send me your audio or video. After 7 p.m. I'll put you leave. Okay, all of you. So
Okay.
first you practice. I'm not only telling to you. I'm telling to everyone. Okay, of 8A. So first thing you have to read the chapter. Practice it 2 times, 3 times. Then record your voice. Okay. So this would be your reading test. I will give you mark, and that mark will be added after that. Okay. So better you record your voice properly. Take video. It is if you are comfortable. Then send me. Okay, before 7 p.m. Now moving to next student. Okay, moving to next students. Vian Ubhadia. So Vian. Vian is okay. Then moving to Jas Patel. Jas Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Start
Ma'am,
reading.
from page number 16.
Yes,
Ma'am,
page
should
number
I read
16.
from page number 16 now?
Of course, yes. You can read from page number 16.
Okay. It sounds pretty interesting, said the policeman. Rather a long time between means so, it seems to me. Haven't you heard from your friends since you left? Well, We didn't write to each other for a time, said others. But after a year or two, we lost track of each other. You see, it isn't easy trying to make a life in the West, and I got rather busy. But I know Jimmy will meet me her if he's alive, for he was always a trusted, staunchest old cap in the world. He'll never forget. I came 1,000 miles to stand at his door tonight, and it's worth it if my old friend turns up. The waiting man pulled out a handsome watch, the lids of which were set with small diamonds. 3 minutes to 10, he announced. It was exactly 10 o'clock when we parted at the restaurant door. Did pretty well in the West, didn't you know? Asked the policeman. You bet. I hope Jimmy has done half as well. He was kind of plodder too, a good fellow as he was. I have had a compete to with some of sharpest minds to be successful. A man gets in a groove in New York. It takes the West to make his star. The
Very
policeman
nice,
smiled.
wonderful, Yash Patel. I have given you 4 marks, okay, out of 5. Next, moving to uh, Ashita Maurya. Ashita Maurya.
Ma'am, I was
Yeah,
not
beta.
able to hear his. Ma'am, I was not able to hear his voice. So can you tell me where was he?
Beta, you open page number 16.
Ma'am, which
Okay.
paragraph?
Page number 16. 1, 2, 3. Fourth number paragraph. Now, fifth number paragraph. The policeman twirled his club. Got it? Single line.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The policeman twirled his club and took a step or two. I will be on my way. Hope your friend comes around soon. How long will you wait? I will give him half an hour at least. If Jimmy is alive, he will be here by that time. So long, officer. Good night, sir, said the policeman once more on his beat, checking doors as he went. There was now a fine cold drizzle falling and a steady wind was blowing. The few people on the road hurried silently with their hands in their pockets and coat collars turned high, and in the door of the hardware store the man who had come 1,000 miles to meet the friend of his youth waited patiently. About 20 minutes he waited, and then a tall man in a long overcoat with the collar turned up to his ears hurried across from the opposite side of the street. He went directly to the waiting man. Is that you, Bob? He asked doubtfully. Is that you, Jimmy Wells? Cried the man at the doorway. Bless my heart, exclaimed the new arrival, grasping the other's hands with his own. I was certain I had find you here if you were still alive. Well, 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 20 years is a long time. The old restaurant's gone. Bob, I wish I had lasted so we could have had another dinner there. How was the West treated you, old man? It has
Wow.
given me
Wonderful,
everything.
Ashita. Wonderful. That's amazing. Okay. Now moving to next student. I have given you 4.5 marks. Okay. Now moving to next children. Okay. So we don't have much time to listen from there, but I have your attendance already, and I wish everyone will send their reading part or video or audio both by 7 p.m. today. Okay. So before that, maybe I'll be sharing your reading test to Pooja ma'am or Hardik sir. So better you should practice before that. Okay. 2 times, 3 times, then record your audio. You have to read whole chapter 2. Okay. First thing you will give your introduction, class, section. Then we start reading. Is it okay? Okay, all of you? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Fine, all of you. Take care. Have a good time today. Bye, all of you.